Hi, and welcome back to MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Caleb. Today I'm doing a walkthrough video on our 2025 Yamaha AR190. We have this one in the black color. With the 190 model, you get the sports tower. See, this one has the galvanized single axle trailer with the swing tongue. Moving around to the transom here, you see we have a big swim platform with seating area, great for the sandbar. Cool spot to hang out. Coming up on into the boat, you'll see we have a nice easy walkthrough over the engine hatch. Tons of seating for a 19-foot boat, storage underneath all the seats. This one does come with the side table. You also have a cooler with it as well. Over on the passenger side, we do have a glove box. Some miscellaneous storage up here. Over on the helm side, you have a bolstered swivel helm chair. You have a small touchscreen for your gauges, electronics, stereo head here, easy access to your blower, switches for your lights and bilge and horn. You also have a cruise control button here, which is nice. Nice throttle assembly. This one also comes with a massive in-floor storage. Store your skis, boards, tubes, whatever. You do have storage on either side of the helm. Dedicated spot for your fire extinguisher, and also a dedicated spot for your garbage. Moving up to the bow for a 19-foot boat, you do have plenty of room. You also have storage underneath all of these seats, and you also have a nice spot, non-skid area to jump off and take a swim. If you guys are interested in this boat, we'd love to see you here. Visit us at the store here in Cornelius, visit our website, or give us a call. Thanks for watching.